To create an invoice, tap on the invoice icon. Here, you'll be able to see past invoices you've created, their status, and an overview. Tap on Create to get started. Type the amount you'd like to charge. If you're charging for multiple items or services, you can add them as separate items, name them, and the total will be updated automatically. Then, choose a customer to send the invoice to. If they're already in your customer list, just tap on their name. Or, add a new customer by tapping on the three dots on the top right corner. You can also add an invoice number to match your records. Next, choose a title for your invoice that will help you identify it. If you'd like this invoice to be recurring, you can set the frequency you'd like. You can choose between the invoice being automatically sent for a specific duration or a set number of times. Then, select the due date. If there is any information you'd like to convey to your customer about what you're selling, you can include a note. If you're selling a service, you can include a service date. In this section, you'll also be able to ask your customer for a shipping address, set automatic payment reminders, which will be delivered to your customer via email, include any attachments, and even ask for any other information you may need from your customer. When you're ready, tap on Continue. Your invoice is now created. Then, review the email address and hit Send. The invoice will be sent to your customer, and any reminders or recurring invoices will be sent automatically to the same email on the dates or frequency you've selected. You can then review all the information about the invoice, and also see any information that your customer may have responded, like a shipping address or a custom question. You'll also see the status of any scheduled invoices and reminders. If you tap on Reminder, you'll be able to send reminders via email or via any other messaging platforms. When your customer receives the invoice via email, this is what they'll see. They can view the invoice and even download it as a PDF. Finally, they can pay for the invoice using their credit or debit card. Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Tabby are also available. The invoice will be marked as paid in the app. Happy charging!